Hey everyone, I realized that the last video I didn't voice, so I'm thinking. Anyways, we left in a hurry yesterday. We tried to pack up all of our stuff. It was a crazy day yesterday. Trying to pack 9 into a 5x8 U-Haul. My van is, cramming stuff in all the little cracks. It was terrible. Close the U-Haul so don't open, everything will fall out. We were trying to cram it in and get finished, and we left finally at 1 in the afternoon and drove. Texas is big, okay? It's a big state. So we drove 7 hours and got to the border. We were barely packing at the end. Yeah. It'll like a surprise. You never know what's inside. Grab one when we got to the hotel. I don't know what it's gonna look like. Sleeping babies. Mama needs to sleep till 5:30 in the morning. Yeah. Anyway, so crazy day. We're only 1/3, 1/4 of the way there. A long way to go. So pack up, clean up, get ready for the next day.